Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn to subtract the number from 0. Already we have learned in the rule of subtraction. If you subtract if you subtract 0 from any number, the answer is 0. If you subtract 0 from any number, 0 from any number means, suppose 6 is there. From 6 you are minusing 0. So if you minus, you will get the same number as the answer. So 6 minus 0 equal to 6. But now we are going to subtract any number from 0. Now suppose 0 minus 6. So can you minus here? 0. From 0 you are minusing any number. 0 is a smaller number. 6 is a bigger number. So you cannot minus the big number from small number. So in this case you have to borrow. In another word, from your book means it is regrouping. You have to regroup. Okay. So for this now we are going to learn the example how to minus any number from 0. So for this we will use the borrowing method. Okay, here is in first example. From 407 you have to minus 256. So here is 0 is there. So in this case what we will do, let's see. So first is 7 minus 6. 7 is bigger, the bigger number is on the top, small number is down, so it is normal subtraction. 7 minus 6, 1. Now 5 is bigger, 0 is small, you cannot minus. So as usual you have learnt already borrowing. So you have to borrow from the left side. You have to next to this left side you have to see, not right side. So from left side you have to borrow. So here there are 400s. So from here 100 we will borrow. So now there will be only 300s. So that 1 will come, 100 will come here, 10 tens. That is 10. Just if you are not understanding 100 is becoming 10 tens, then you just make it like a blind answer. Now we say this is a blind answer without understanding, without knowing how it came, just we take it as our own. That is called blind answer. So 0 is there, so that what 1 you are borrowing, that you write just before 0. Okay, so the 1 you are borrowing, that you are writing before the 0, so it becomes 10. Okay, that way you can take it. If you are not able to get it that 100 is becoming 10 tens, then you can take it this way. Okay, now 10 we have got, now 10 here and 5 here. Now 10 is bigger than 5, so you can minus 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. So this is the answer. Okay, now here is only 1 0. Now we will see 2 3 zeros how it comes. Okay, now let's see this example. Here 0 is there, 2 is there. 0 is smaller, 2 is bigger. So you cannot minus from small to big. So what you have to borrow on the left side, but left side also 0 is there. 0 means nothing. There is nothing is there. So you cannot borrow when there is nothing. So you have to go to the next left side next digit, but here also 0 is there, so there is nothing, so you cannot borrow anything. So you have to go here. So here in thousands place only there is some value is there. Okay, in this ones, tens, hundreds there is no value at all, just 0 is there. So from here you will borrow. So when you borrow, this borrowing 1, from here 1 if you borrow, here 6 will remain. And that 1 you cannot directly take here. You can just borrow from the right side the next digit only, and you can give to you can borrow from the left side next digit and you can give to right side next digit. You cannot give from here to the right side third digit, you cannot give, just you can give here only. So that 1 if you give here, only right side the next digit only you can give. So this will become 10. So there was 0 was here, nothing was there. Now since you have borrowed 1, so here now we have got it 10. So from this 10 only you can borrow to the right side next digit. That also you cannot, after 2 digit you cannot pass it, that borrowing 1. Okay, you can borrow, you can give to the next digit only. So here 10 we have. So from 10 if we give 1, so 9 will remain. That 1 if it comes just before 0, that write this 1. Okay, now from this 10 you will give here 1. So if you give 1, 9 will remain, and here you will get that 1 here before 0, so 10. Okay, now you have borrowed, now all you have the bigger number on the top, so you can minus now. 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 9. If you minus the number from itself, the answer is 0. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay, this is the way you can do. Okay, so this is the way you can do. Now suppose another way, shortcut blind answer I will say, I will give you. This is not it is not you cannot give for explanation, okay, for a direct answer, just a blind answer. Okay, so here when you borrow, like the 0 comes when you borrow, just you what you can do, from here 1 you are borrowing, so 6 you write here. So first this 0 you write 9, here 9, and here the last 0 you write 10. Only the last 0 you write 10, other zeros you write 9, 9. Okay, if there is only 2 zeros, only 1 9 and last digit is 10. This way you can write. This is just a blind answer. This is the method of how we are borrowing. Okay, so this is, if you can, those who are not able to understand, you can take it, otherwise you can leave it. Now we are going to learn subtraction fact. This is on page number 109. Now let me take a simple subtraction. Suppose 10 minus 5. What do you get? Okay, let me take other number. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7, the answer is 3. So here this big number, this is a big number, that is called minuend, and this is the small number, this is called subtrahend, and this is the answer, that is called difference. The answer is called the difference. You see, now in subtraction you have the 3 numbers. The first is the bigger number, next small number, then you have the answer. So this number you have to use only these 3 number, and you have to write in addition. You have to write in addition. Okay, so that is addition fact. Sorry, now we will go for subtraction fact. So we, from addition only we have to go. So let's write now 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So this is the addition. So in addition, these two are called addends, and this is the sum. Okay, so there are 3 numbers, 3, 4 and 7, 3 numbers. You have to use only these 3 numbers. You cannot use any other number, and you have to write the subtraction fact. From here, using these 3 number, you have to bring the subtraction. So for the subtraction, you need the you need the bigger number first. So from here, which is the biggest number? 7 is the biggest number. So we write 7 first. So from 7, any one of this number you minus. So the first number is 3, so I am minusing 3. So 7 minus 3, what do you get? 4. So you get the next number. So only these 3 number you are using, 3, 4, 7. Here also 3, 4, 7. Okay, now this is one fact. Now another fact also we can write. So first subtraction, only always you have to write the bigger number first. So 7 is the biggest number, so I am writing 7. So before we minused the addend 3. So now let's minus the addend 4. So 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, 3. So we are using only these 3 numbers, and we are getting 2 subtraction. From this, for this addition, we are getting 2 subtraction. So these 2 are called subtraction facts. So for each addition, you can write 2 subtraction facts. Okay, always remember this. Each addition has 2 subtraction facts, and each subtraction has 2 addition facts. Okay, so this you remember. I may be asking in fill in the blanks or choose the best answer. Okay, if any addition is given, to do the subtraction, you don't sit and minus to write the subtraction facts. You are using only you are going to use only these 3 numbers. So just you order it, or in what order I have already told. Write the bigger number first. You are going to write the subtraction fact. So to write the first subtraction fact, write the biggest number first. Here 415, 283, 698 is there. In this, the biggest number is what? The answer is the biggest number. So 698. So that you write first. Okay, now you are writing subtraction fact. So write minus. Then any one of these addend you write. So the first addend is here. So we will start with the first addend, 415. So first addend you are minusing, and write the answer now equal. you write the second addend after the equal sign. Okay, now it goes for the same thing for the second fact. So first you write the bigger number, so the bigger number is 698. From here you have to minus, subtraction fact, so write minus. So first we wrote the first addend, now let's write the second addend. So second addend is 283 equal to, so second addend we wrote here, so after the equal sign you write the first addend, 415. This is the way you can write, no need to sit and minus and do the subtraction fact. You can write directly by, you only have to use these three numbers. Okay, now let's see subtracting 10, 100 or 1000. So how to subtract now? 9758 is there. From here first let's minus, subtract 10. So to subtract 10, don't sit and write like this and minus. Okay, it is easy way. This is 10, so tens, you look at the tens place, so ones and tens place what number is there? 5. So from 5 here 1 is there, no, so that 1 you minus. So if you minus 5 minus 1, 4. So only this place it will become 4, all others will remain the same. So thousands place 7, 9, hundreds place 7 will remain the same, only tens place it will become 4 and 8. This is the way you will do. Again same thing, now 100, same number I am taking it now to minus 100. So you are going to minus 100. So to minus 100 you just look at the number in hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds place the number is 7. So from 7 here 1 is there, so you have to minus 1 from 7. So if you minus 1 you will get 6. So only this place will change, all others will remain the same. So thousands place 9 and hundreds place 7 minus 1 6, so 6 here, and this other tens and ones will remain the same. Now to minus 1000. So from here you are going to minus 1000. To minus 1000 you have to look at the number in thousands place. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place the number is 9. So from 9 here 1 is there, so you minus 1. So if you minus 1, 9 minus 1 you get 8. So only this will change, all others will remain the same. So 9 minus 1, 8, and all other digits will remain the same, 7, 5, 8. So this is the way you have to minus 10, 100, 1000. Here it is 10. Now the same number I will give another example. Now 58, and here you are going to minus 30. Listen here 1 was there, so you minused 1 from here. Okay, now here 3 is there, so from here this is tens place, no, the number is in tens place, so you have to minus from here 3. If 3 is there you will minus 3. If 1 is here then you will minus 1. Here 1 was there, you minus 1. Now here 3 is there, you will minus 3. So 5 minus 3 it is 2. All other digits will remain the same 9, 7, and this will become 2 and 8. Now same thing, now you are going to minus 500. Listen, in hundreds place here 1 was there, so you minused 1. But here now 5 is there, so in hundreds place you have to minus 5. So 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 2. So here will be 2, all others will remain the same, 9 will remain the same, this will become 2 and 5, 8. Again now to minus 1000. You are going to minus, now suppose 2000. So here 1 was there, you minused 1. Here 2 is there, so here in thousands place you have to minus 2. 9 minus 2, 7. So only this will change, all others will remain the same. So the answer is 7758. This is the way you have to do. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. And Saturday, Sunday holiday is there. In 2 days, please do the homework and send me the answer so that I may check your answer and find out what mistake and I can correct it. Thank you.